Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony again from J.R. Dunn Jewelers here in Lighthouse Point, Florida. And to follow up with some of the new product that we are so happy to be unveiling in the Accutron series, we have a really cool throwback that goes back to 1960, which is the Accutron 521, the original styling. Really cool little bit of info about this watch as well. Elvis Presley actually owned this same exact version. It's limited edition of 600 pieces and list for 1,550. So limited edition of 600 pieces, and the list price for this particular watch is $1,550. Find us at jrdunn.com as well as 4210 North Federal Highway in Lighthouse Point, Florida.